short vowel patterns. Today we're going to be doing this worksheet, and it's a little bit different than some of the other ones we've done, so I'm going to go ahead and read the directions. When readers understand short vowel spelling patterns, they can learn when words make certain sounds. CVC patterns are words like sit and pat. Now the C stands for consonants, and the V is vowels. So the consonants in sit is the S, and then the T. The vowel is the I. Now CCVC patterns are words like slit and flat. Now the consonants in slit are S, L, and T, and the vowel is an I. There's also CVCC patterns, which are words like pump and lamp. Now the consonants in pump is P, the M, and the second P, whereas the vowel is the U. So we're going to read this passage together, you're going to answer the questions, and then you're going to do the challenge at the bottom, which is usually like our words work, where you're highlighting different things with the colored rectangles. Okay, Max and Sean. Max was about to blow. This was the third time that Sean had tapped him on the shoulder, trying to trick him into looking. Even though Sean thought it was hilarious, Max did not. He was trying to read his book, and Sean was not helping. Max could feel the anger rising in him, reaching its boiling point. One more tap, and he would overflow. Tap, tap. There it was. Stop it! Max screamed at Sean. Sean laughed. Max could hear his mom walking from the other room. Great, now he would be in trouble. What's happening in here? Their mom asked. Max, I heard you yelling. What was that about? Sean is making me so angry, he replied. Remember what we talked about? Max remembered. He took a deep breath. Then he counted down from 5 as he breathed out. The first few times he only made it to 3. After a few breaths, he made it to 5. He forgot why he was even breathing in the first place. Nice work controlling your anger, Max, his mom said. Now, Sean, let's have a conversation in the kitchen. Sean followed her slowly out of the room. Alright, so while it's fresh in your mind, I would write about it. So in your own words, tell the most important parts of the story and circle the words that have a short vowel sound. So, type here, okay? You're going to type here. Sorry, I got a message. We're going to type here the important parts of the story, okay? And the circling part, I'm not going to have you worry about because we're digital and typing's a little bit harder. But I want you to go ahead and do the write about it. I want you to do the writing part, okay? Now here I'm gonna read the multiple choice for you. I'm gonna scroll over so you can see them. And this one you're gonna drag these over, okay, for your correct answers. A little bit different than our circles, but still doable. Okay, number 1A. Goodness, that was too difficult. 1A. Which word includes the short vowel pattern C, B, C? So which one starts with a consonant, has a vowel, then has another consonant? So we know right off the bat it's not A or B because those have more letters than we have here in our pattern. So it's either C or D. Now, which one starts with a consonant, has a vowel in the center, and then has a consonant? Again, you're going to drag your box over to whichever one it is. 1B. What phrase from the text includes a word with the same pattern as the word in 1A? So again, you're going to read these. I'm going to read these sentences to you. And when I'm reading these sentences to you, you want to look for a word that has a consonant, then a vowel, then a consonant. So what phrase from the text? I already read that. So A says Max could hear his mom. B says he would be the one in trouble. C, just making me so angry. And D, he took a deep breath. 2A. Which word includes the short vowel pattern CCVC? So again, this time I can count them. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. So my word needs to have 4 letters. So again, through process of elimination, I can tell that it's not C or D. So I'm going to look at A and I'm going to look at B and I'm going to find out which one has 2 consonants, then a vowel, then a consonant. So again, use your boxes and highlight the correct answer there. 2B. What phrase from the text includes a word with the same pattern as the word in 2A? So we're going to look for a word that has 2 consonants, then a vowel, then a consonant. A says the only sound to be heard. B, what was that about? C, the first few times. And D, D, he forgot why he was ever breathing. 3A, which word includes the short vowel pattern CVCC? Now this one is a little bit harder because maybe not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this one is a little bit harder because we only get to eliminate B because it's got too many letters. So what we're going to look for this time is which one has a consonant, then a vowel, then 2 more consonants, okay? So we know it is not B because there's too many letters. So it's either A, B, it's either A, C, or D. A, C, or D. 3B, the phrase from the text. What phrase from the text? Goodness, I cannot read today. What phrase from the text includes a word with the same pattern as the word in 3A? So again, we're looking for a consonant, a vowel, followed by 2 consonants. A says, then he counted. B says, now Sean. C says, Sean was just making me so angry. And D says, reaching its boiling point. All right, after you finish those, you're going to do your challenge. So the challenge says, you guys can't see it. See if this will, there we go. The challenge says that you're going to drag these 3 different rectangles and shape them to cover up the words that these say. So blue is our consonant, vowel, consonant, our short vowel pattern. Red is consonant, consonant, vowel, consonant, and green is consonant, vowel, consonant, consonant. All right, so let's see. CVC, let's find one. Consonant, vowel, consonant. Mom is a CVC because mom starts with a consonant, it has a middle letter vowel, and it ends with 1 consonant. The O makes an ah sound, which is our short vowel. So mom is a short vowel, consonant, vowel, consonant. Let's see if we can find one more. If it'll let me drag it. Max, M-X is another one. It's M is a consonant, A is a vowel, X is a consonant. M-X, it has a short vowel. Now we're going to look for some words that we can highlight red. So let me get 2 red highlights over here real quick. Okay, and it's a consonant, consonant, vowel, consonant. So let's see if we can find some. A consonant, consonant, vowel, consonant. All right, I think I found one. Then. If I can highlight properly. Then is a consonant, consonant, vowel, consonant. The N. Then. So it has the short vowel sound for the E. Let me see if I can find one more. I'm not sure. Ooh, yes, I found one more. What? So the wh is our two consonants in the beginning. The is an A sound with the short A. And the last is a consonant. So let's scroll back down and get some green. Now the green is kind of the opposite of our red. So now we're looking for a consonant, vowel, consonant, consonant. So let's scroll back up and see if I can find some. Let's see if we can find some up towards the beginning of the story here. All right, finally found one. Down, a consonant, then a vowel, and two consonants. Down. Down. Let's see if I can find one more for you guys. I think that's the only one I see currently. These are harder than our other ones, so if you struggle a little bit, I completely understand, but I need you guys to try. And watching my videos is definitely going to help you, okay? I'm currently not seeing any other ones, but maybe you guys can find some that I'm missing. And I'll keep looking, and if I find any more, I'll make a note of it. Hope this helps you guys. If you have any questions, email me and we can set up a Google Meet. Have a wonderful Thursday. Bye.